Good morning everybody, coming to you from a kind of Dreich at Glasgow. There's Glasgow University. The leaves in the trees now, well, a lot of the trees are quite bare. We've got Floyd this morning, he's enjoying his walk in the park and it's quite peaceful. I think people have gone to work, so apart from a few dog walkers, still some nice golden and red leaves. Floyd's spying some two doggies, but he's not running after them. You being a good boy. It is getting colder. I think winter is definitely, the winter weather's coming in now. There's still lots of leaves to kick up and you can hear them still rustling. I've been trying to think about what topics to do for a blog and for my podcast. Remember, you can subscribe to my YouTube videos. Please subscribe. I'm trying to get all the subscribers, increase in subscribers, so that would be fabulous. And my podcasts, of course, please subscribe to them, and you can also, so that I can continue to do them, if you click the PayPal button, then you can support me, and it's only £4 per month. What more for motivation and inspiration? So please head off to Mind Circle's podcast and Mind Circle's YouTube channel. That would be fabulous. And you can catch, I think it's now up to about 200 videos. The latest ones are mainly of the doggies, Darcy and Floyd, which I think inspires us all. Come on, Floyd. Floyd, here. Come on, Floyd. We'll go up the way. Right, so if you've any ideas, that was a wee calm moment there, just looking at the trees. If you've any ideas for topics, please, private message me on Facebook, send me a comment. And of course, if you want to know what Mind Circles is up to, then please join my community at mindcircles.co.uk. I try not to overload people with lots of newsletters. We do now like 4 spring, summer, autumn and winter. And this year the autumn one will be out soon. And I've also got another surprise. So you'll need to keep a lookout for the new information. It's so exciting. I don't think anyone else has done this, so I can't wait. And If you join my community, you'll be the first to know, and then I'll post on social media. So Floyd's just having a nice dawdle today, so am I. It really is quite beautiful. Even with the grey skies and the Dreich skies, I still feel we can do our ABC, my ABC. The affirmation today is, I wakened up this morning. I am alive. I am grateful for the beauty of nature. Anything like that. And then remember to do your breathing from the diaphragm. Let's take a minute. We'll just breathe in through the nose. Hold. And then exhale through the mouth. And then your creative imagination. What are you going to imagine today? Use your creative imagination. If you don't want to be out in the cold, like me, close your eyes and take yourself off to perhaps a beach somewhere, or woodland, the seaside. Never forget the power of the mind. And try to turn any challenges that you face into opportunities. If you're challenged with something and you don't learn from that challenge, then you'll be sent another one, and so on and so on. And I know, because it's happened to me. I know that if I don't learn a lesson, back comes another challenge. And of course life throws us many challenges. And there's wee Floyd looking at me now. Now, what's he wondering? Where are we going to go? Where are we going today, Floyd? We go down the way again? I'll home in on him. Look at that good boy. Floyd, a good boy? I wonder what he's waiting on. He'll be missing his mummy. And we'll be seeing her later. Maybe just go down this way again. I love how he trots, it's quite nice. If I can get far enough away and then turn. Oh no, there he is. You can go over that way, Floyd. But he's got quite a nice gait, a walk, the way he trots. Head up, tail wagging. Aren't you? You a good boy? He's a good boy. Sometimes chases the squirrels. I think he likes going in amongst the leaves. That's beautiful, isn't it? Now I've still got some of these, the wind's blowing and the it's like pieces of gold, isn't it? Light slivers of gold. Kicking up the leaves here, aren't we? Well, we'll let Floyd and myself go on our walk and have a fabulous day, people. And never forget to take a moment or two throughout the day, even if you're working hard, you need to take a breather, particularly if you're working in front of a computer. And remember to stand up and do some exercises as well. So physical workouts are really good, but if you're doing physical workouts, please remember the mental workouts. It's the workouts of the mind that keep us positive, keep us going. So have a fabulous day, and my 2 trademark tips you all know by this time are: smile and laugh. They cost you nothing. So virtual hugs to everybody, and it's bye for now from myself and Floyd.